Hi, let me walk you through that.
Okay.
Login with Tibber. You use your TIBCO credentials here. This is your profile screen where you can see here you can create a new conference call, and these will be your this area will show your upcoming conference calls, and these are the old conference calls that you have already attended and archived, so you can listen to the recordings and all that. So let's create a new conference call. Let's give some time, create conference call. So now the call is created. So if Praveen logs in, then he will be seeing, let's see if it is posted onto the wall. Actually, when you create a conference call, this will be, this call details will be posted on the Tibber wall. So it will be posted with I mean all attendees walls. So Praveen will be notified about this conference call. So once he logs in to this particular app, he will be shown in this area. So I mean, if he dials in with this particular phone number and then conference ID, he will be able to join the call. So let's join the call. So this is a web dashboard. So all the people who are joined in through online will be visible here. Okay, looks like Praveen has joined through web.
क्या फोन से करने क्या?
Yeah, you
क्या नंबर क्या?
it's asking me to enter the conference code. That is 117 in hash. Hello?
Hello? Disconnected? Yeah.
Yeah, Praveen. Thanks for joining the call. So hope you have understood about basic walkthrough of the app, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay then. Thanks for joining, man.
So this is the only thing which I have to do. Anything else?
No. That's it. Thanks for your time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So when people disconnect, it shows. When people join the call, it shows on the screen who is joining, and when people are leaving, it shows who is leaving the call. So people who joined through the web are displayed here. So some people might even join the call, let's say through their desk phones and not through the web. So this has an interface for all of that. So once the call is done, you can click on this close this call. So what it basically does is it archives all of this data, these chat logs and the call recording, and posts it onto the tipper. So let's close the call. Now it comes in this archive section. So here it is. So this recording will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes to get processed and then upload it onto the server. Once it is done, this information will be posted. Let's see. Yeah, this information will be updated as a comment on your original calendar event. That's it. Thanks.